Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete Instagram suggestion when you are typing. So first of all, just open the Instagram application and come to your profile like this and then tap on these three bars in the upper right corner. And when you are here, you have to tap on this your activity. And when you are here, you just have to scroll down and you will find this option recent searches. So just tap on it and basically these are the my recent searches. So now what you have to do is you just have to tap on this clear all and tap on this clear all again, and basically that should delete all your recent searches, or rather all your searches basically. Now what you need to do is go back to your profile page here. Now the second step is once again click on these three lines, and then in here we have to tap on this settings and privacy. Now scroll down and click on this help section. In support, tap on this help, and in here we need to click where it says report a problem. So just tap on this again, tap on report a problem and click on this include and continue. As you can see, we are now taken to this page right here. We need to write something like this: please delete search suggestion when I am typing on my Instagram app. This is very annoying for my Instagram user experience. And then click on this send in the top right corner, and hopefully after you have done these steps right here, hopefully Instagram will fix this issue for you. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.